Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update your Google Chrome. You can follow the steps that I'm going to say in this video. First, open the Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window to open the Chrome menu. In the menu, go to the Help and then select About Google Chrome. As you can see in my display, Chrome is up to date, and if it's not in yours, then Chrome will automatically check for the updates and start downloading any available updates. Once download is complete, you will see a prompt to relaunch the browser to apply the update. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome with the latest version. After the relaunch, you will be using the updated version of Google Chrome. It's important to keep your web browser up to date to ensure that you have the latest security and performance improvements. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and also comment down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for the upcoming uploads.